As a menopausal person, a woman, I have had a lot of different things happen to my body, like many women out there, gaining weight, having trouble sleeping, and specifically hair loss. It's really been hard on my self-esteem to comb my hair and find a huge handful of hair in it or two. Hi, I'm Denise Morgan, and I'm 56 years old. I'm a yoga teacher, so I've always tried to do natural things for my health, and that can be challenging. As a menopausal person, a woman, I have had a lot of different things happen to my body, like many women out there, gaining weight, having trouble sleeping, and specifically hair loss. It's really been hard on my self-esteem to comb my hair and find a huge handful of hair in it, or to go to put my hair up and find that there's a big patch. Our hair is our beauty. It's how women feel good about themselves. And for me, when it started to get stringy, really felt bad about it. And I know a lot of people out there get extensions and do things like that, and that's not good for your hair either. So I have found a system that really works for me. It is a 3-step system. The first thing that you do is for preventing hair loss, and it's called a DHT blocker to help nourish the hair and keep it healthy. I'm not a person that generally likes to take supplements like a B or a D or a C, but this is a whole multivitamin system, and what's great about it is it has Ayurvedic herbs. We have this cap, which is really incredible, this laser technology. You just wear it 7 minutes a day, and it's neat because it's like a little baseball cap. You can walk around with it on because it has this handy little pack that clips on to you so you can do your daily chores, and it'll tell you when you do that, it tells you it's on, and you just go about your day and it will feel warm and tingly, and you can see the red. And this technology is just, it's so encouraging for people, both men and women, who are balding and or like myself, you know, just because I've noticed after using this, my part from being like this has gotten less, it's less part of my scalp that's being shown, basically. But the quality of the hair down here too is thicker and fuller, and I think the vitamins make a big difference. So this cap is to actively work on regrowth, stimulating the follicles. So very convenient. When it's done, this 7 minutes or over, it'll beep and tell you, and you just take the cap off. So now that I've been using this system, this 3-step system, I'm seeing huge results, and I feel like myself again. For my whole life, I've always had great hair, thick hair, and it's really showing. It's fuller. I'm able to put it up and do different things with it like I always have, without it just feeling like old hair. When I comb it and do it in the shower and wash, there's a whole lot less hair that's coming out. So that's just so encouraging for my future. I'm comfortable with my hair going gray and just looking my age, but I'm not comfortable with being bald or having pattern balding, or, you know, the just thinning, wiry hair. And it's just so great to have something that works for me and makes me feel more like me. I love that this system is all natural, that these supplements that I'm taking, the vitamins, specifically Ayurvedic, that this is something that's actively stimulating hair growth, but it's just through light. And this whole idea of red light therapy, laser, it's very cutting edge new technology, but you know, it's working and still natural. There's no side effects. So that's it, and I cannot recommend higher these great products of My HairSmart.